Welcome to Anbaalaya, the specialist in Sainik school entrance coaching to class 6th and 9th. Today we shall discuss 2021 9th standard mathematics paper. First question. A sum amounts to rupees 4,410 after 2 years at 5% compound interest per annum. What is the principal? Amount is given as rupees 4,410. Number of years, 2 years. Rate of interest, 5%. Principal is what? We know that amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. So what is the amount? Substitute 4,410 equal to P into 1 plus rate of interest 5 by 100 whole power number of years 2. So here 4,410 is equal to P into 100 into 100 plus 5, 105 by 100 the whole power 2. Lowest form of 105 by 100 is 5 table 21 by 20 the whole power 2. So now 21 into 21 441 by 20 into 20 400. So this is what we arrive at 4,410 equal to P into 441 by 400. P equal to 441 by 400. When it is transported, it becomes reciprocal. 4,410 into 400 by 441. 441 goes in 4,410 10 times. 441 cuts 441 one time and put the 0. 10 into 400. Principal is equal to rupees 4,000. Question number 2. What will you get when you subtract 3x minus 4y minus 7z from the sum of x minus 3y plus 2z and minus 4x plus 9y minus 11z? First we shall do the sum. Sum of x minus 3y plus 2z minus 4x plus 9y minus 11z. See here, plus 2 and minus 11. When opposite symbol comes, subtract them 11 minus 2, 9 and put the symbol of the bigger number. Of the number 2 and 11, which is bigger? 11. And what is its symbol? Minus. So we put minus 9 is it. And here minus 3 plus 9. Unlike symbol comes, you have to subtract 9 minus 3, 6. And of the two numbers, which is greater? 9. And what is the symbol of 9? Plus. So put plus 6y. X minus 4x. Again, unlike symbols, plus and minus. So we need to subtract. If nothing is given, it means here is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 and 4 of the two number, 4 is greater and its symbol is minus. So minus 3x plus 6y minus 9z. We have done the sum. From this sum, we shall subtract from minus 3x plus 6y minus 9z. We have to subtract 3x minus 4y minus 7z. To subtract, change the symbol. Plus 3x becomes minus 3x. Minus 4y becomes plus 4y. Minus 7z becomes plus 7z. Now, when you need to subtract, you change the symbols and then go for the normal procedure as how you add numbers. So, minus and plus, unlike symbols, subtract 9 minus 7, 2. And of the two numbers, 9 is greater. So, 9 symbol is minus. Minus 2 is it. And here, plus 6y plus 4y. Changed symbol must be considered. 6 plus 4, 10y. And both the symbols are plus, so put plus. Minus 3x, minus 3x. Same symbol, add 3 plus 3, 6x. And put the same symbol, minus. So, minus 6x plus 10y minus 2z is the answer. Third question, find the remainder when 5x square minus 4x plus 3 is divided by x minus 2. We shall perform synthetic division. I'll show how to do it. 5x square minus 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2. Here I am going to divide each of the term by x. Look at this. 5x square divided by x. So here the coefficient is 1. 5 divided by 1, 5. X square divided by x. x square divided by x is x, because x means here the power is 1. So when you divide, you have to subtract the power. 2 minus 1 is 1. We normally don't show 1. So 5x square divided by x is 5x. Now multiply. You just divide 5x square by x. You get 5x, and now multiply. 5x into x, 5x square. 5x into minus 2. Plus into minus, minus. 5x into 2, 10x. Now see, change the symbol. Plus 5x square becomes minus 5x square. Minus 10x becomes plus 10x. After changing the symbol, add. See here, minus 4 plus minus and plus. So subtract the numbers. 10 minus 4, 6. Put x. Of the two numbers 4 and 10, 10 is the bigger number. And what is the symbol of 10? Plus. So put plus 6x. 5x square minus 5x square gets cancelled. So here we get plus 6x. Bring down plus 3. Now divide plus 6x divided by x. So 6x divided by x is 6. Plus divided by plus, plus. 6x divided by x, 6. Now multiply 6 into x, 6x. Plus into minus, minus 6 into 2, 12. After writing the answer, change the symbol. Plus 6x becomes minus 6x. Minus 12 becomes plus 12. Now plus 6x and minus 6x gets cancelled. Plus 3 plus 12. Same symbol, add the numbers 3 plus 12, 15, and the same symbol plus. So is there any other number to bring down? No. So the remainder is plus 15, and the quotient is 5x plus 6. And in the question, they are asking us to find remainder. So the remainder is plus 15. Fourth question, if x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, then the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is dash. X minus 1 by x equal to 3. I apply the identity a minus b the whole square. X minus 1 by x the whole square equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here x minus 1 by x is given as 3. So I write 3 square. X minus 1 by x the whole square is 3 square equal to x square plus 1 by x square. X gets cancelled, minus 2. I take the minus 2 to, I transport minus 2 to the other side of equal to symbol. It becomes plus 2. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 2 equal to x square plus 1 by x square. 9 plus 2 is 11 equal to x square plus 1 by x square. And now I got x square plus 1 by x square is 11. Once again with this I do a plus b the whole square. X square plus 1 by x square the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square. X square the whole square is equal to x power 4. 1 by x square the whole square is equal to 1 by x power 4 plus 2ab, 2 into x square into 1 by x square. See here, 2 into x square into 1 by x square. So here x square and x square gets cancelled. So we get 11, I substitute here x square plus 1 by x square is 11 the whole square equal to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. 11 square is 121. Plus 2 comes this side. It becomes minus 2. So 121 minus 2 equal to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So we get 119 equal to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So thus the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 119. Fifth question. The area of this square having diagonal of length d is given by dash. Formula says diagonal of a square. This is a square, all sides are equal, and this is called the diagonal of the square. Diagonal of a square is equal to side root 2. So therefore from diagonal, how do you find side? Side is equal to diagonal divided by root 2. We need to find side. Root 2 comes this side. It becomes division. So side is equal to diagonal divided by 2. Area of a square equal to side square. Here we got side as diagonal by root 2 the whole square. D the whole square by root 2 into root 2, 2. So area of a square given diagonal is equal to D square by 2. The perimeter of a circle having area 154 square centimeter is dash. In the question it is given area of a circle is equal to 154 centimeter square. Radius is equal to square root of area into 7 by 22. That is square root of, we have the area 154 into 7 by 22. 22 goes in 154 7 times. Thus we get square root of 7 into 7. Radius is equal to 7 into 7. Root is 7 centimeter. Now perimeter of a circle formula is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 centimeter. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 2 into 22. The perimeter of the circle is 44 centimeter. Seventh question. Find the area of a rhombus having perimeter 80 centimeter and one diagonal 24 centimeter. Perimeter of the rhombus. Rhombus உடைய சுற்றளவு. Perimeter of the rhombus is equal to 4 into side. This is given in the question as 80 centimeter. Side is equal to 80 divided by 4. Side is equal to 20 centimeter. Now this is a rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal. Also these two are the diagonals of the rhombus. The property of rhombus says that diagonals bisect each other. They are perpendicular bisectors. The two diagonals of the rhombus, when they meet, they form 90-degree angle. Also, the diagonals cut each other into equal halves. So, here we got one side of the rhombus as 20 centimeter. Also, in the question they have given the diagonal is 24 centimeter, which means the diagonals bisect each other. They are perpendicular bisector. So, we can write 24 centimeter diagonal as 12 and 12. So, here we get a right triangle. Can you understand? Here we get a right triangle. And this is the hypotenuse of the triangle. And this is the altitude of the triangle. We need to find the base of the triangle OB. Base is equal to hypotenuse square minus altitude square. Base is equal to square root of hypotenuse square minus altitude square, which is square root of 20 square minus 12 square. That is 400 minus 144. OB, the base is equal to 256. Root of 256 is 16 centimeter. So diagonal 2 is equal to, here we got 16. So the total diagonal is 16 plus 16, 32 centimeter. So area of a rhombus is equal to half D1 D2, half into 24 into 32. Thus we get 384 centimeter square. Eighth question. I purchased 1 dozen pencils at the rate of 5 pies per pencil. For how much should I sell a pencil to make 20% profit? Here the cost price of the pencil is 5 pies per pencil. Profit percentage is 20%. At what is the selling price of one pencil? CP of one pencil is equal to 5 pies. Profit percentage is equal to 20%. Note down the formula. SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100. So SP is equal to CP is 5 into 100 plus 20, 120 by 100. We get SP is equal to 6 pies. Ninth question. If the height and radius of a cone are doubled, the volume of the cone becomes dash. Height and radius of the cones are doubled. Let height h, we are doubling it. Height h becomes 2h and radius when doubled it becomes 2r. I am equating smaller volume is to bigger volume. Volume of the cone, smaller volume 1 by 3 pi r squared h is to bigger volume height and radius gets doubled. 1 by 3 pi 2r the whole square into 2h. In place of r, I am writing 2r. In place of h, I am writing 2h. So the same value gets cancelled. So 1 by 3 gets cancelled. Pi gets cancelled. The remaining is r squared h is 2. 2 2s are 4 r squared into 2h. Again r square h square gets cancelled. Here everything is cancelled. So here remains 1 is 2. 4 2s are 8. So the ratio is 1 is to 8. Which means if the smaller volume is 1 time, the bigger volume becomes 8 times. So when radius and height are doubled, the volume increases by 8 times. The total surface area of a hemisphere of volume 19,404 cubic centimeter is dash. They have given volume of the hemisphere. We need to find the total surface area of the hemisphere. Volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Note down the formula. Volume of a hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume is given as 19,404 is equal to 2 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 into r cube. R cube is equal to, when I take this side, I take 2 by 3, it becomes 3 by 2. When I take 22 by 7, it becomes 7 by 22. And on cutting, I get 2 and 22. When I cancel, I get 441. Into 3 sevens are 21. I write 441 as 21 into 21. Again 3 sevens are 21. R cube is equal to 21 into 21 into 21. R, which is cube root of R cube. R is equal to 21 centimeter. Now TSA, total surface area of a hemisphere, formula is 3 pi r squared. 3 into 22 by 7 into r square is 21 into 21, which we'll get 4,158 centimeter square. 11th question, the value of 125 power minus 1 by 3 is dash. I write 125 as 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5, 125 power minus 1 by 3. Power to the power, multiply the power, 5 power, 3 and 3 gets cancelled, minus 1 remains. 5 power minus 1 is 1 by 5. When the power is minus, take the reciprocal of the base. So reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. 12th question, the value of 64 power 2 by 3, the whole power 1 by 2 is dash. 64 power 2 by 3, the whole power 1 by 2. Power to the power, we shall multiply 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. Also, I write 64 as 4 cube. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So, I write 4 cube, which is 64 to the power 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled and I get 1 by 3. 4 cube to the power 1 by 3, which means 4 into 3, 4 power 3 into 1 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. The answer is 4. 13th question, what is the value of 1 by 2 power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 power minus 2? See here, 1 by 2 power minus 2. Remove the negative power. You can take reciprocal of the base. To remove negative power, take reciprocal of the base. So, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. So, power automatically becomes plus. 2 square plus. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. So, power becomes plus 3 power 2 plus. Reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4. Power becomes 2. 2 square is 4 plus 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. On adding, we get 29 as the answer. 14th question, the additive identity for integers is dash. Additive identity means 0. Any number plus 0 gives the same number. So, the additive identity is always 0. Associative property of multiplication of integers. What is associative property? Which means A into B into C. When you multiply A and B, and with that product when you multiply C, you will get A into B into C. When you multiply B and C, and with that answer when you multiply A, both the results are same. Product of first two number and third number, product of second and third number with first number, the answer is same. This is called associative property of multiplication of integers, and this property does exist. So the answer, it exists. 16th question, if ABC is an equilateral triangle of side A, then its altitude is dash. Question is altitude of an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle means all the three sides are equal. Side A. Altitude means a perpendicular drop from this opposite vertex to this base. So a perpendicular drop. So here 90-degree angle is formed. And this divides the base into two equal parts. A becomes A by 2 and A by 2. So now consider only this right triangle. In this right triangle, the base is A by 2 and the hypotenuse is A. So how do you find the altitude? Altitude is equal to square root of hypotenuse square minus base square. So we get the hypotenuse square is A square minus the base square is A by 2 the whole square. So root of A square minus A square by 4. LCM, square root of LCM is 4. 4 into A square, 4A square minus 4 divided by 4, 1 into A square, A square. So root of 4A square minus A square by 4. 4 minus 1, root of 3A square by 4. Root of A square is A, root of 4 is 2. Root 3A by 2, which is root 3 by 2A. So altitude of equilateral triangle, altitude of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2A. 17th question, what is the ratio of the volume of a cylinder and that of a cone on the same base and of the same height? Base and height are same, that is radius and height are same for the cone and cylinder. Let us find the ratio between their volume. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. Volume of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Now equate these two volumes because radius and height are same. Pi r squared h is to 1 by 3 pi r squared h. Pi r squared h cancel. So here is 1 is to 1 by 3. The denominator is 3. So multiply both by 3. 1 into 3. 3 is to 1 by 3 into 3. 3 gets cancelled 1. So the volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the cone. The ratio is 3 is to 1. 18th question. A vertical pole 14 meter high casts a shadow of 10 meter. What will be the height of a tree that casts a shadow of 15 meter under similar conditions? Here a pole is 14 meter height and it casts a shadow 10 meter. What will be the height of a tree which casts a shadow 15 meter under similar conditions? Let us make a table column where object height in meters and shadow in meters. Object pole is 14 meter and its shadow is 10 meter. Tree we do not know, so I take it as x2 and shadow of the tree is 15 meter. When the object height increases, the shadow height also increases. When both the quantities increases, it is called direct proportion or direct variation. So the formula for direct variation is x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. We get 14 by 10 equal to x2 by 15. Cross multiplication, 14 into 15 equal to 10 into x2. x2 is equal to 10 is transported. It becomes 14 into 15 by 10. Thus x2 is equal to, on cancelling, we get 21 meter. So the height of the tree is 21 meter. 19th question. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? We can make the table column workers, hours. 15 workers will build the wall in 48 hours. So how many workers are needed to finish the work in 30 hours? When number of workers increases, the time taken to finish the work decreases. When number of workers increases, the time decreases. So when one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. So it is inverse variation. What is the formula for inverse variation? x1, y1 is equal to x2, y2. The top two columns are x columns, x1, x2. This is y1, y2. So x1, y1 is equal to x2, y2. We get 15 into 48 equal to x2 into 30. x2 is equal to 30 is transported. It becomes division. 15 goes in 30 two times. 48 divided by 2. x2 is equal to 24. Number of workers is equal to 24 workers. Thus, 24 workers can finish the work in 30 days. 15 workers can finish it in 48 days, whereas 24 workers can finish the work in 30 days. So the answer is 24. Question number 20. If A plus B plus C equal to 5 and AB plus BC plus CA equal to 10, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is dash. Given A plus B plus C equal to 5. Also given AB plus BC plus CA equal to 10. The identity A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus AC. This is the identity. We have the value A plus B plus C the whole square. With A plus B plus C we have it 5. The whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square we do not know plus 2 into AB plus BC plus AC equal to 10. Thus we get 5 5s are 25 equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into 10 20. 20 when transported this side it becomes 25 minus 20 which is 5. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 5. Thus the next identity A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equal to this identity says A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC. Thus we have the value A plus B plus C equal to 5 into A square plus B square plus C square is given as 5 minus, I take all the minus symbol outside and inside the bracket the symbol changes AB plus BC plus AC. Thus we get 5 into 5 minus AB plus BC plus AC is given as 10. Thus we get 5 into 5 minus 10 is minus 5. Plus and minus we have to subtract and put the symbol of the bigger number. The bigger number is 10 and its symbol is minus. So 5 into minus 5 equal to minus 25. 5 5s are 25 plus into minus the answer is minus 25. Question number 21. A by B plus B by A equal to 2. Then A cube minus B cube equal to dash. A by B plus B by A equal to 2. Which means when we take the LCM it is AB. So AB divided by B is A. A into A square plus AB divided by A B. B into B, B square equal to 2. We get A square plus B square is equal to AB is transported. We get 2AB. When I transport 2AB to this side, it will become A square plus B square minus 2AB. This is an identity. An identity is equal to 0. Also, I take 2AB, I transport 2AB to this side. So we get 0. A square plus B square minus 2AB equal to A minus B the whole square. Identity equal to 0. So A minus B is root of 0 which is 0. Here they have asked A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube identity expansion says A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. A minus B we derived 0 into A square plus AB plus B square. Anything into 0 is 0. So A cube minus B cube the value is 0. Factorization of 3 root 3x cube minus 8 is dash. This is of the form A cube minus B cube where A is root 3. Root 3x the whole cube. Root 3x the whole cube is root 3 into root 3, 3. Again into root 3 we get 3 root 3x cube. Minus 8 can be written as 2 cube. So it takes the form a cube minus b cube. What is the expansion of a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We shall apply the a is root 3x. So a minus b root 3x minus 2 into a square. Root 3x into root 3x. 3x square plus ab. A is root 3 and b is 2. So we get 2 root 3x plus b square is 2 square, which is 4. So the factorization answer is root 3x minus 2 into 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus 4. What is the number of possible outcomes in throwing 2 dice simultaneously? See, when you throw 1 die, you may get 6 outcomes. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you throw 2 dice simultaneously, the number of possible outcomes may be 6 into 6, 36 outcomes. See, better explanation. Total number of possible outcomes, 6 into 6, 36. How do you get this? Let the outcomes be like this. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. And now we shall start with 2. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Likewise, you will get 3, 1, 3, 2, and you will get 4s. So each series you have 6. Like that, 6 into 6, totally 36 outcomes will be there. 24th question. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting at most 1 head is dash. Total number of outcomes when you toss 2 coins, total number of outcomes is 4. First you may get head tail, then you may get tail head, head, tail head. So number of outcomes getting 1 head. Getting 1 head, 1, 2. 2 outcomes. Head tail, tail head. So probability of getting 1 head. Probability is equal to number of events by total number of events. So here number of heads, 1 head. Number of times getting 1 head is 2. Total outcome by 4. So 2 by 4, the probability is 1 by 2. 25th question. There is food provision for 100 men for 30 days. If the number of men is reduced to 80, 100 men can eat for 30 days. So 80 men, of course, they can eat for more number of days. And how do we find that? Then number of days the food could last for is dash. Men, 100 men, days, they can eat for 30 days. Men, 80 men, they can eat for how many days? Y2. So when men increases, the days decreases. So this is inverse proportion or inverse variation. The formula for when one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. This is inverse proportion. The formula for inverse proportion is x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. x1 y1 100 into 30 equal to 80 into y2. y2 is equal to 80 when transported becomes division 100 into 30 by 80. On solving, we get y2 is equal to 75 by 2. Mixed fraction, y2 is equal to 37, 1 by 2 days. So, 100 men can eat for 30 days and just 80 men can eat for more number of days, 37 and half days. The difference of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is always a multiple of dash. Difference of any 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit. We shall take some examples and see. Take any 2-digit number 21, reverse it 12. What is the difference? 9. Another one example 43, reverse it 34. What's the answer? 9. 61, reverse it 16 and the difference is 45. We can see that all the difference is a multiple of 9. Yes, so the answer is multiple of 9. When you take a number, reverse it and find the difference is always the multiple of 9. 27. In a triangle, if 2 angles are complementary, the measure of the third angle is dash. Here we have to study 2 properties. Sum of the measure of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degree and complementary angles are 90 degree. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If two angles are complementary, then their sum is 90 degree. Third angle is equal to total sum 180 minus the two angles 90 degree. So the third angle is 90 degree. 28 sum, if the exterior angle of a triangle is 60 degree and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 1:3, then the angles of the triangle are dash. Exterior angle property, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Look at here, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. This is the exterior angle of the triangle. This angle is equal to angle A plus angle B. So angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B equal to the exterior angle 60 degree. What is angle BCA? BCA is linear pair to the 60 degree. So BCA is equal to 180 minus 60, angles on a straight line, 120 degree. So we get BCA, this angle is 120 degree. And these two angles are equal to 60 degree and they have given the ratio of A is to B 1:3. So 1 I take it as x into 1 x, 3 I take it as 3 into x 3x. When you add x plus 3x, we get this be x and this be 3x, we get 60 degree exterior angle. So 4x is equal to 60 degree, x is equal to 60 divided by 4, x is equal to 15 degree. So thus 3x is equal to 3 into 15, 45 degrees. Therefore, the angles of the triangle are, this linear pair angle is, this angle is 120 degree and 45 degree and 15 degree. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then the consecutive interior angles on the same side of the transversal are dash. If this is transversal, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then the consecutive interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Transversal, same side, consecutive interior angles. These two interior angles will be supplementary angles. So the answer is supplementary angles. When you add these two angles, you will get 180 degree. At what distance does the point 12,5 lie from the origin? This is a Cartesian plane. Let this be the Cartesian plane and this is origin. Okay. And distance of a point 12,5 from this origin is dash. Distance formula says square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, where this is x1, this is x2, this is y1, y2. Origin means the points are 0, 0 and another one point is given as 12,5. So this we take it as x1, y1. This we take second point, we take it as x2, y2. So we shall substitute x2 is 12, 12 minus 0 the whole square plus y2, 5 minus 0 the whole square, the root. 12 minus 0, 12, 12 square is 144, 5 minus 0, 5, 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25, square root of 169 is 13. So the distance of point 12,5 from the origin O is 13 units. Very important sum, 31. A can do a work in 25 days. B can do the same work in 20 days. If they work together for 5 days and then A leaves, in how many days can B finish the remaining work? A can do a work in 25 days, which means A divides the whole work into 25 parts and he does each part a day and totally he finishes the work in 25 days. So A's 1 day's work is 1 divided by 25 because one work he divides into 25 parts. So A's 1 day's work is 1 by 25. B can do a work in 20 days. Therefore, B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 20. So A plus B's 1 day's work is equal to A's 1 day's work 1 by 25 plus B's 1 day's work 1 by 20. Now together when you add 25 and 20, the LCM is 100. 100 divided by 25, 4. 4 into 1, 4 plus. 100 divided by 25, 5 into 1, 5. 4 plus 5, 9 by 100. So A and B's 1 day's work is 9 by 100. A plus B's 5 days work. 1 day they can finish 9 out of 100 into 5. 5 goes in 100 20 times. So A and B's 5 days work is 9 by 20. Therefore, the remaining work. In 5 days, A and B have finished 9 by 20 work. So the remaining work is, the total work be 1. Let the total work be 1. 1 minus A and B together in 5 days they have completed 9 by 20. So 1 minus 9 by 20 is equal to 20 into 120 minus 9 by 20. 11 by 20. So the remaining work is 11 by 20. This work has to be done by B. B can finish in the total remaining work. The remaining work is 11 by 20 divided by B's 1 day's work is 1 by 20. So 11 by 20 divided by B's 1 day's work 1 by 20. 11 by 20 into reciprocal of 1 by 20 is 20. 20, 20 gets cancelled. So B can finish the work in 11 days. From the pie chart, the shares of central angle for food and fuel respectively are. We have to find out the central angle for food and fuel. Where is food? This is food. Food is 61% and fuel is, here is fuel, 5%. We have to find the central angle of this food and angle of this fuel. Total angle of a circle is 360. So we have to find out 61% of 360 and 5% of 360. Central angle of food is equal to 360 into 61%. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 36 into 61, 2196 divided by 10. 10 has got 1 0, so keep 1 decimal. 219.6 degree. Fuel, central angle for fuel is equal to, total angle is 360 into 5%. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 5 goes here 2 times. 36 divided by 2, 18 degree. So the central angle for food and fuel is 219.6 degree, 18 degree. What is the alternate name of a pie chart? Circle chart. This is called a pie chart. So this chart is also called as a circle chart. 34. Line L is perpendicular to line M and line M is perpendicular to line N. Then the lines L and N are dash. See, they are saying line L is perpendicular to line M. Perpendicular means meeting point 90 degree. Again, this line M is perpendicular to line N. M is perpendicular to N. The meeting point is 90 degree. Now let us compare line L and line N. These two lines are, of course, they are parallel to each other. L parallel to N. 35th question. Find the sum of 3.2 recurring and 5.4 recurring. See, 3.2 recurring means this bar shows 3.2222, it goes on like that. 5.4 bar shows 5.4444, it goes on like that. We have to add and see. Thus, I have copied the question 35, 3.2 recurring plus 5.4 recurring. I first take x is equal to 3.2 recurring. I want to make an equation where this recurring part is taken out separately. So when I multiply x with 10, 10x, I multiply here also by 10. So point moves one number right. 3.2 becomes 32 point, again 2 recurring because this 2 is going on. It goes on. So 3.2 recurring into 10 is equal to 32.2 recurring. I get two equation and I find the difference of these two equation. 10x is equal to 32.2 recurring minus x is equal to 3.2 recurring. This recurring parts gets cancelled and 32 minus 3 is 29. 10x minus x is 9x. Once again, the same method I follow for the next. X equal to 29 divided by 9. Again, the next one. X is equal to 5.4 recurring. Now, I multiply this by 10. 10x is equal to Point moves one place right. So 54.4 recurring. We shall subtract these two. 10x is equal to 54.4 recurring minus x is equal to 5.4 recurring. 4 recurring gets cancelled. 54 minus 5 is 49. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9x is equal to 49. So x is equal to 49 divided by 9. Thus I get x is equal to 49 by 9 plus. Earlier I got x as 29 by 9. So this is 3.2 recurring and this is 5.4 recurring. When I add these two, I will get same denominator, 49 plus 29, 78 by 9. 78 by 9 is the answer. What should be added to minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? Minus 7 by 3 plus x, what should be added? So plus x is equal to 3 by 7. X is equal to 3 by 7. Minus 7 by 3 when transported becomes plus 7 by 3. X is equal to 7 and 3. The LCM is 21. 21 divided by 7, 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 21 divided by 3, 7 7s are 49. X is equal to 9 plus 49, 58 by 21. Therefore, 58 by 21 must be added to minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of the two numbers is 5:2. The two numbers are dash. 5x minus 2x is equal to 66. 3x is equal to 66. X is equal to 66 by 3. X is equal to 22. So 5x is equal to 5 into 22, 110. 2x is equal to 2 into 22, 44. Therefore, the two numbers are 110 and 44. If angle A and angle C are two opposite angles of a parallelogram, then opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Thus, angle A equal to angle C. This 38, this is a parallelogram, and in a parallelogram the opposite angles are always equal. The lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively. Find the length of each of its sides. They have given the diagonals of the rhombus and we need to find the sides of the rhombus. This is a rhombus and diagonal property. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors, which means this is 16 centimeter diagonal. It gets cut into two equal parts, 8 and 8. And the 12 centimeter diagonals get cut into two equal parts, 6 and 6. And the two diagonals meet at O, and this is 90 degree because the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. And when we consider one triangle, we get a right angled triangle, and this side is hypotenuse here. Hypotenuse is equal to side, which is hypotenuse, equal to square root of base square plus altitude square. So we get 8 square plus 6 square. Square root of 8 8s are 64 plus 6 6 are 36. Square root of 100. Root of 100 is 10 centimeter. 40th question. If the mean of the following data is 8, then find the value of x. The data given is 2, 4, 8, 6, x, 5. And the mean, which is average, is 8. How shall we find x? Mean is equal to 8 given. Number of items is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items. Sum is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 6 plus x plus 5, which is 25 plus x. Mean is equal to sum divided by number of items. Mean is 8 and sum is 25 plus x divided by number of items 6. 6 when transported to this side becomes multiplication. 8 6 are 48 is equal to 25 plus x. And x is equal to 25 when transported becomes minus. So 48 minus 25 is 23 and the value of x is 23. 41. Find the value of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 9. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 9. I first do this one, 1 plus 1 by 9. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by, when I do 1 plus 1 by 9, it is 9 into 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 9. This is 10 by 9. I get here 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by, this 1 plus 1 by 9 is 10 by 9. Now 1 divided by 10 by 9. 1 divided by 10 by 9 is 1 into reciprocal 9 by 10. So here I get 9 by 10. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 9 by 10. Again 10 into 1 10, 10 plus 9 19. 1 by 19 by 10. 1 divided by 19 by 10 is 1 into 10 by 19. We get 10 by 19. So this place I get 1 plus 10 by 19. Again 19 into 1 19. 19 plus 10 29 by 19. The answer is 29 by 19. 42. If the mode of a distribution is 12 and the mean is 3, then the median is dash. There is a relationship between mode, median and mean. The relationship says mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is given in the question as 12 equal to 3 median minus mean is 3, 2 into 3. Mean is given in the question as 3. 2 3s are 6. So minus 6 when transported this side. 12 plus 6 equal to 3 median. 18 equal to 3 median. Median is equal to 3 becomes this side. 18 divided by 3. Median is equal to 18 divided by 3. 6. 43. The square root of 0.00000121. Let us first find the square root of 121. Square root of 121 is 11 because 11 11s are 121. Count the number of decimals here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 decimal places. So in the root you have 4 decimal places. 121, the answer is 11. And I have to give 4 decimal places. 1, 2. I add 0, 0.0, 0.0011. So when in the question there are 8 decimals, in the answer I give 4 decimals. So this is the final answer. 44. Which least number should be subtracted from 1,08,245 so as to get a perfect square? You must subtract which number to make it a perfect square? I take the square root of 1,08,245. Pair the number from right hand side as 2 2. Put a bar over 2 digits. Now you take 10. The nearest square of 10 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 1. Bring down the next pair. 82. Next pair. Bring down 82. This is 182. Now add 3 plus 3 6. Okay. On putting what? You added 3 plus 3, you wrote here 6. You have to write a number and multiply this number by that number itself. So I put 2, 62, again multiply by 2. If you put 2, you have to multiply by 2. 62 into 2 is 124. Because if I put 63 into 3, it will be more than 182. So less than 182 I have to bring. So 62 into 2, 124. 182 minus 124 is 58. Bring down the next pair, 45. 62 plus 2, 64. We have to put a number and multiply by the same number and we should arrive less than 5,845. So I put 64, 9, 649 into 9, 5,841. Now subtract, you get 4. Is there any other number to bring down? No. So we have excess, remainder is 4. So when we subtract this 4 from 1,08,245, then it will become a perfect square. Thus we can say 4 must be subtracted. 45. Find the ones digit of the cube root of 6,859. Cube root of 6,859, which means 6,859 is a cube number and we need to find the unit digit of its root. What is the unit digit here? 9. When do you get the cube ending with 9? 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9, 729. So 9 cube ends with 9. 9 cube ends with 9. So cube root of 6859 ends with 9. Because only 9 when cubed ends with 9. 46. The smallest natural number by which 1296 must be divided to get a perfect cube. In order to make it a perfect cube, what number must be divided? I prime factorize 1296, 2 table, 648, 2 table, 324, 2 table, 162, 2 table, 81, 3 table, 27, 3 table, 9, 3 table, 3, 3 table, 1. Cube root, group 3 numbers. So I take 3 2s, 3 3s. Here 1 2 is left and here a 3 is left. 2 3s are 6. So 6 must be divided. When you take out 6, then it will become a perfect cube. There are 3 2s, there are 3 3s. Excess of 2 and 3 we remove by dividing. So 2 3s are 6. 6 must be divided to make 1296 a perfect cube. 47. 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? See, 72% are good in mathematics. So not good in mathematics, how many percentage? 100 minus 72, 28%. So good 72%, not good 100 minus 72, 28%. So how many are not good in mathematics? 28% of 25 students. 28 by 100 into 25. 25 goes in 100 4 times. 28 divided by 4. 7 students out of 25, 7 students are not good in mathematics. 48. Data collected in a survey shows that 40% of the buyers are interested in buying a particular brand of toothpaste. The central angle in degree of the sector of the pie chart representing this information is dash. 40%. What is the central angle of 40%? The total central angle is 360. So 40% of 360 is dash. 360 into 40%, we get 144 degree. So the central angle is 144 degree. The monthly salary of a person is 15,000. The central angle of the sector representing his expenses on food and house rent on a pie chart is 60 degree. The amount he spends on food and house rent is dash. The total monthly salary is 15,000 and the pie chart, in the pie chart, food and house rent represents 60 degree. So how much expense is spent on food and house rent? So 15,000 into 60 out of 360. To find the amount spent on food and house rent, total income 15,000 into central angle is 60 out of total central angle 360. So 1 by 6, 15,000 divided by 6 is rupees 2,500. So amount spent on food and house rent is 2,500. The mid value of a class interval is called its class mark. Suppose class interval 10 to 20. If this is the class interval, the mid value means 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2, 15 is the mid value. And this mid value is called class mark. So the mid value of class interval is called its class mark. That's all. Thanks for listening.